Every year, JOSKIN receives more than 15,000 tons of flat steel sheets with a thickness from 1 to 20 mm. After being checked by the quality department, they are stored in the laser cutting area and then cut by 7 production lasers operating 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. The cut steel then supplies all production sites of the group. The various lasers used by JOSKIN can cut steel sheets up to 8 meters long with an exquisite precision at a maximum speed. The latest laser installed is one of the fastest in the world. Thanks to a fiber optic technology, it cuts a 6 mm thick high tensile steel sheet at a rate of 12 meters per minute. In total, the lasers used by JOSKIN process no less than 9,000 kilometers of steel sheets per year. In terms of equivalence, this represents the distance between Brussels and Tokyo. Thanks to an optimal, computerized and automatic programming, each steel sheet is treated as profitable as possible. In this way, waste is kept to a minimum and is also systematically recycled. After cutting and collecting the parts, the steel sheets are brought to a bending center. Here, several semi-automatic and automatic press brakes are used depending on the purpose of the parts. The advantage of bending steel is that the structure of the material can be considerably strengthened without adding extra weight. This explains why JOSKIN machines have a sturdy and yet light structure. To carry out this step, the press brakes are directly programmed according to the required part. The part therefore does not need to be manipulated by the operator more than once until the final result is reached. The most impressive press brakes of the JOSKIN group operate with a bending pressure exceeding 630 tons and over length of up to 8 meters. They can also make multiple bends from 1 degree to 179 degrees in less than 2 minutes.